How to connect Solana wallet to TapSwap. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your TapSwap, then go to the option of task at the bottom. Here, go to the option of special, and over here you get the option of join Solana wallet. Currently it is not there since it gives that particular option time to time. So just simply click on that option if it is available for you right now. Click on join Solana wallet, then you would be able to find the option of go. Simply click on it, then it will ask you to connect, but make sure that you have Solana wallet in your device, especially Phantom wallet, because it is the default wallet of Solana. So it will redirect you to Phantom wallet. Click on connect, and after that it will ask you to sign a message. Simply sign that particular message and you would be connected to a Solana wallet, and this is how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.